In this lecture we are going to talk about the common tools used for masonry work. The tools are categorized based on what they are used for. Laying tools. Trowel. It is used for mortar picking, spreading, and forming cross joints, cutting excess, or compacting joints. Spade. It is used for the spreading and mixing the mortar. Measuring tape. It is used when the measurements are to be taken for longer length. This is generally made up of steel, for greater durability and accuracy. Level tube. It is used to measure the exact levels, height across a surface, such as a wall. Mortar pan. It is a shallow container, usually having sides flaring outwards on the top. It is used for keeping the mortar. Bucket. It is used to pour water for mortar mixing.
Jointing board. This is a piece of wood, generally in a size of 20 to 25 mm in thickness, 300 mm width and 775 mm length. It prevents the mortar from dropping and gives smooth surface on plaster.
Second category of tools are used for wall straightening and are called straightening tool. Spirit level. It is fitted with 3 bubbles and designed to indicate whether a surface is horizontal, that means leveled, or vertical, that means plumbed. Aluminum section is an aluminum piece, approximately 2 meters long, with markings, used for ensuring straightness of work. Tingle plate. A small metal plate, having 3 fingers, used to take up the sag of the line. Common size is 100 mm. Corner blocks. If pins cannot be inserted into surface, corner blocks are used to hold the line. The next category of tools are used for cutting and trimming masonry units, or mortar. Club hammer. They are available in 2 common size. Small steel head of 1.15 kg in weight and big head having 1.8 kg weight. Heads are fixed with a wooden handle, usually 225 mm long. Bolster. Used for the cleaning the cutting of blocks and concrete components. This is having a cutting edges blade which ranges from 75 mm to 125 mm in width with a slight convex curve. Chisel. They are uses for chipping and breaking, and are available in sizes of 10 mm to 40 mm in diameter and approximately 400 mm in length. Carver and dam stone, also known as emery. These are uses for rubbing down the cut edges of blocks. Next category of tools are used for finishing work. Pointing trowel. These are smaller in shape and lighter than the laying trowel. They are uses for filling the joints during pointing operation. Wire brush. These are generally used for cleaning the joints of brick or blocks in masonry work, removing dirt from plastered surface before painting operation and or tiled work is carried out. Wooden float. The cross-grained wooden float has grains running across the sole. Sand screen, also known as the jali. This is important to have on site for maintaining the different sizes of sand for various work. For 230 mm brick masonry, the screen uses 6 holes in each square centimeter. For 150 mm brick masonry, the screen should preferably have 8 holes per square centimeter.